A mother sat on her egg. The egg jumped. Oh, said that mother bird, my baby will be here. He will want to eat. I must get something for my baby bird to eat, she said. I will be back. So away he went. She went. The egg jumped. It jumped and jumped and jumped. Out came a baby bird. Where's the baby bird? Mother? Where is my mother? He said. He looked for her. He looked up. He did not see her. He looked down. He did not see her either. I will go and look for her, he said. So away he went. Down out of the tree he went. Down, down. It was a long way down. The baby bird could not fly. He could not fly, but he could not walk now. I will go and find my baby bird, mother, he said. He did not see. He didn't know what his mother looked like. He went right by her. He did not see her. He came to a kitten. Are you my mother? He said to the kitten. The kitten just looked and looked. He did not say a thing. The kitten was not his mother. So the hen, he went on. Then he came to a hen. Are you my mother? He said to the hen. No, just said the hen. The kitten was not his mother. The hen was not his mother. So the baby bird went on. I have to find my mother, he said. But where is she? Where should she be? Then he came to a dog. Are you my mother? He said to the dog. I am not your mother. I am a dog. You like it? The kitten was not his mother. The hen was not his mother. The dog was not his mother. So the baby bird went on. Now he saw a cow. Are you my mother? He said to the cow. How could I be your mother? Said the cow. I am a cow. The kitten was not his mother. The dog and cow was not his mother. That he had a mother. I did have a mother, said the baby bird. I did. I have to find her. I will. And I will. Now the baby bird did not walk. He ran. Then he saw a car. Could that old thing to be his mother? No, he could not. It not. Could not. The baby bird did not stop. He ran and went on and on. Now he led away down. He saw a boat. There she is, said a baby bird. He could not boat, but the boat did not stop. The boat went on. He looked up, away up. He saw a plane. Here I am, mother, he called out. But the plane did not stop. The plane went on. Just then the baby bird saw a big thing. This must be his mother. There she is, he said. There is his mother, my mother. Then he ran right up to it. Mother, mother, here I am, mother, he said to the big thing. But the big bird, but the big thing just said snort. Oh, you are not my mother, said the baby bird said. You are a snort. I had to get out of here. Snort. But the baby bird could not get away. The snort went up. It went up, way up, and up went the baby bird. But now, where was the snort going? Oh, what is this snort going to do? Get me out of here. Just then, the snort came to a stop. Where am I? I said to the baby bird. I want to go home. I want my mother. Then something happened. The snort put that baby bird right back in the tree. The baby bird was home. Just then the mother bird came back to the tree. Do you know who I am? Said the baby bird. Yes, I know who you are, said the baby bird. You are a kitten. You are not a kitten. You are not a hen. You are not a dog. You are not a cow. You are not a boat or a plane or snort. You are a bird and you are my mother. That end.